Welcome to our tutorial video on how to use the smallest cigar cabinet humidifier. Let's dive in and explore how to use it. Step 1. Add water and beads. This is the smallest model. Let's see it. Add water to the two inlet. Stop adding water when it reaches appropriate level. As this is the smallest, we have omitted the water level indicate to fit smaller cigar cabinet or lockers. Next, add some beads to the water tank. Step 2. Placement. Find a suitable spot inside your cigar cabinet to place the humidifier. Ensure that it is positioned away from direct contact with the cigars. Step 2. Power on. Connect the power cord to a power source and switch on the humidifier. Step 4. Humidity adjustment. Now it's time to set the desired humidity level. We initially set this unit to a range of 60% to 70% RH. Using the up and down buttons, adjust the humidity range. Currently, we have developed the humidity range to 60% to 68% RH. Observe the airflow and the wet air direction. Air in, air out. This humidifier will ensure a balanced humidity level in your cigar cabinet. Operating your smallest cigar humidifier is as easy as following these steps. Let's enhance your cigar accessories collection starting now. I'm Cloud from Get Your Air. Thank you for watching.